You're welcome back, my lovely people. So I'm taking you to this road at Umuobia, Olokoro, Umuahia Abia State. This road, we're actually going through New Haven Junction. This is New Haven Junction, and moving down straight connects you to Aba Road. But I want to take you, behind us a little bit. Now, this is New Haven Junction, and you see that road in front straight. It connects you to Abama Housing, Abama Village, and Aheke Timber. So you see how connected and important this road is. Now moving down, we are continuing the journey, and like I said earlier, this road now moving down connects you finally to Aba Road, Umuahia. But I want you to know the state of this road. This road is really bad. You can see it has no drainage, and the worst of it all is that erosion has taken over the road. So I don't know why this road should be neglected this much. It has been like this for a very long time, and this is me urging our ever governor, even in this season, in the spirit of road construction, I hope and pray that this road is finally remembered, because this is a residential area. You'll find lots and lots of buildings, fine buildings. So even a few estates along this road, I'm not going to mention though, you find them here, but no road. No road. Most times when I see vehicles ply, I see how they struggle, and I mean, it's terrible if you ask me. Now look at what the road is looking like. This is when the rainy season wasn't serious, so imagine what the road will look like now that we are currently in the raining season. Now this part of the road is a little bit fair if you ask me. Moving down very close to the Umuobia junction, close to Aba Road, there you would see where the erosion, in fact the headquarter of erosion is there. That's where the erosion has affected badly. So try to watch to the end so that you see exactly what I'm talking about. And I hope someday, sooner than expected, that this road will be worked on, because it's highly connected, and it's going to, if worked on, it's going to ensure smoother transportation and enhanced economic activities. Okay, so please watch to the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and drop a word, like say something, share your thoughts on this road in the comments section, and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'm glad I have updated you on the state of this road. As you can see, we are gradually approaching Abia Road, and this is the end of this road. If you watched up until now, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates, share this video as much as you can, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.